the moment that I wake up until the lay my head, and then oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. In all my life you have been faithful, in all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. I Danilo. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Hello Raymond and Alvin, shout out to sir. Pwede i-share mo na yung live. Hello Brandis and Lina, shout out po sa inyo. My life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Hi Melter. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Sana po ay mga dumadaan dyan. Kung nag-aano po kayo ng mag-chill-chill lang tayo yan, mag-stay lang po kayo kahit 5 minutes sa live ko. Kakantahan ko po kayo. Si-share ko lang, hi Chris and Dada Soto. Hi Chris Castillo, shoutout sa'yo. And Ronald Del Castro ba yan? Beth Box, hello. I-share ko lang po yung live natin guys. Okay lang. In a lifetime made of memories, I believe that I've got the future on my mind. Know that we only one. Meet me halfway across the sky, out where the world belongs to only you and I. Meet me halfway across the sky. It is a new beginning of another life. A lifetime, there is only love. when we put emotions on the line. Now that we are the boundless one, meet me halfway. Hi Noel, across the sky. I've heard the world belongs to only you and I. Meet me halfway. Thank you sa pag-follow. Across the sky, welcome Noel. May request ka ba? Make this a new beginning of another life. Hello, Janela. Halfway across the sky, it is a new beginning of another life. Meet me halfway across the sky. It is a new beginning of another life. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Good evening everyone. Thank you sa pag-follow. Hi Federico. And BSL, shout out sa'yo. Outside the rain begins, and it may never rest. So cry no more on the shore. A dream will take us out to sea. May request ka, forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes on me, and you can be with me. Meet the waves through the caves of hearts, long forgotten now. We're all alone, we're all alone. Close the window, come the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it all begins. Learn how to pretend. Once a story told, it can't help but grow old. Roses do, lovers do, so cast your seasons to the wind. And hold me dear, and hold me dear. Hello guys. Hello sa'yo na nandyan. Hello Mario Flora, may request ka po. And Joanna, hello. Hello, good evening guys. Kung may pa-request po kayo guys na kaya kantahin po ni host, pwede niyo pong i-comment guys. Request lang po ako ng top ng ating live. Ayan, pwede na po kayo mag-request. At kung may pang-heartbeat po kayo, pwede niyo pong gawin din yan sa tabi ng pangalan po. Magandang gabi po. Hello, Kat Food, Sian, hi. Hello, Pao. And Tata, shoutout po sa inyo. And holiday. Hello, Johnsky, shout out. Hello, Master Pogi, shout out sa'yo. Magandang gabi. Request ka ba dyan? Kung gusto mo lang po. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan na nandyan. Sana po ay nagugustan naman po ang boses ni host for tonight. Pwede po kayong mag-request, guys. Makikitap-tap lang ako ng aking live. Okay na po yun. Pwede na po kayong mag-request. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for money, you had the most, it was mine. My life started to change. Hey Myrna, hi Miss Pilingera. Ako din, ganun din ako. Pilingera minsan. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. Hi Alan, that time in my life. Hi Gemini. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. Hi, Signal and Marites. Hello. And, Del, hello sa'yo. Nene, San Miguel, hello. Makikitap-tap po ng ating live, guys. Makikisiyo po sana ako. Hi, Cor Carla. And Papa Edgar. Makikitap-tap po sana ako ng live, guys. And share po kung pwede lang. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. Hi Remy and Semi. Mama Nina, hello sa'yo. I needed someone like you in my life. That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Hey baby, Kanan, Karja, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you, hi Bina, no words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like Marilyn. Someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Hi Mirna Tagala, shoutout po sa'yo. And Albert Cortez, Asidera, hello. Sandali lang po tayo mag-live guys. Sana samahan niyo po ako. Heidi and Albert Cortez, shout out. And Fernando Bautista, Arven and Sweet Lover, hello. Shout out po sa inyo dyan. Sana po ay gusto niyo naman po ang aking thank you, Riha. Hello sa'yo. Naghang po kasi yung phone ko. Pasensya na po. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. Hi Renata and Edward. I was astray. You showed me the way. And now I finally found my home with you. Hi Erwin and Natimlad. I'd still recall the times I've been through. CHRT and Erwin, hello. Thank you sa mga nag-follow. Biha, thank you. Baby boy, hello sa'yo. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. Real man, I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Thank you sa Rosas. May request ka, Black Queen. May request ka. You're always there to lend a helping hand. Kung may request ka, pwede ko yung kaya kong kantahin, kakantahin ko ha. Are hard to find. You made it wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. Ay parokya ni Teteng. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Hi Gracie 26, shout sa'yo. Angel Love, now look at me. Yes, the different me. Okay, sige. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again. 'Cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. Hi Salvation, thank you sa pag-follow guys. You made me live again. Hello Bergie. And shout out po sa ating 14 million viewers. Williard, hello sa'yo. And Fernando. Okay. Bihat, this is for you. In a piano version. Sana po magustuhan nyo guys. Magre-request po sa ako guys ng tap and share ng ating live. Kung pwede po sana, marami pong salamat. This is for you, Bihat. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Thank you so much. I'm strong. Nauna, wait lang guys. Ulitin natin. Take two. Ayan, naghang na naman si Inday. Diba? Nakasmiling. Buti na nakasmile. I'm strong, I'm sure. I'm in control. A lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package all holding my hand. Hi, Bacho. I got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still fumble and fall, run into the wall. Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a fight out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel your touching me again. With you I'm just another woman in love. Hello Johnny, Junjun. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That wanting you look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fight out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel your touching me again. Thank you, Johnny. With you I'm just another woman in love. Hello, Atoy, thank you so much. Another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fight out of control, just another. Giselle and Oti. Hello, thank you so much, Bihat. Sana nagustuhan mo. Thank you, Ate sa Parosas. May pa-request ka ba dyan? Hello, Augusto. Hello, shoutout sa'yo. Ang liit ng mga sulat, hindi ko kayo makita. Thank you, Bihat. Sana nagustuhan mo. Salvation! Ayan, guys. Ariel, hello sa'yo. Thank you so much. Kung may pa-request kayo, guys, pwede niyo pong i-comment. Ang request lang naman po ni host, kung may pang-heart me kayo, i-heart niyo po ako sa tabi ng pangalan ko. Or kung wala naman po, tap-tap and share na po ng ating live. Hi, Lisa! May pa-request kayo, i-comment ko lang po, guys. Hi, Buboy! Hello, Corn! Life is so moment in space when a dream is gone. It's a lonelier place. Hi, Lala Hiner. Life is the morning goodbye, but down inside, you know you never know why. The road is narrow and long when eyes met eyes, and the feeling is strong. I turn away from the wall, I stumble and fall, but I give you it all. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. Thank you, Lolo Hilar. Thank you so much sa pagdaan. Maraming salamat. Wala kang request? Hello, Ining. Hello sa'yo and Shane. What did I do? Thank you sa pagtap and share po, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you po, Lolo Hinar. With you eternally mine, in love there is no measure of time. request ka ba dyan? I got it all for the start, that you and I would live in each other's heart. We may be oceans away, you feel my love, I hear what you say. Like Claudia, your truth is ever alive. I stumble and fall, but I give you it all. Hey Gary, I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. Is the right? I think it's the wise and hello. Hello. I am a woman in love, and I'm talking to you. You know I know how you feel. Love and sparkle brush. May pa-request pa kayo guys? Loloy, wala ka bang request dyan? Para since nyo ka sa aking small time family, kakantahan kita. Kung nandyan ka pa, sige, this is for you. This is for you. Hello with our Colban. Hello sa'yo, Chichi. Hello. Shoutout po sa inyo nung nandyan po. Sana nakapag-dinner po muna kayo, guys. Hello, Marby. Para po sa inyo to. Hi, Arlene. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Hello, Panchito and Baron. Sa buhay natin, mayroon isang mamahalin, sasambahin. Sa buhay natin, mayroon isang. Hello, Johnny. Hello sa'yo. And Christy. At sa di sinasadyang pagkakataon. Archie! Hello sa'yo, Rodolfo. May pa-request ba kayo, guys? Parang hindi ako makakita. Hello, good evening. Sige, ito na lang. Tuloy natin. May ibang makikilala at sa unang pagkikita may tunay na pag-ibig na madarama. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Hi, Ben. Ako'y nag-iisa, sino ang ibigin? Ikaw sana. Meron ba kayong request na iba, guys? Hello, Jonaline Tatoga. Ay, Jonaline pala. Joanne, ikaw ba yan? Hello, She. Hello, Imelda. Hello, 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 hello. Asa na ba yung ating ano? Meron akong prepared song na playlist, yung mga Tagalog version. Hi, Unico. Hello sa'yo. Hi, Atomic. Shoutout and Filipino Carial. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Sana po nakapag-dinner na ang lahat. It's Bello. Hello sa'yo. Good evening din. Atomic, may request ka. Ang puso ko'y nangangarap, tamang pag-ibig ay hanap. Sa patamang panahon at pagkakataon, ikaw at ako. Nang ikaw ay makilala, tinagalan ko lang, labis-labis ang saya. Ang bawat sandali, lagi ay may ngiti sa aking labi. Hi, Ronnie! Sana ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pagkat puso ko'y nasanay. Pagmahal mo malay, Aileen. Puso'y nangangakong ikaw lamang ay amor niya. Ito'y iyong asahan, huwag mo sana kong iwan. Hi, Rio Ben. Shout out po sa 15 million viewers. Di man tayo magkasama, tingay niya sa gipo kanina. Gusto natin iisa. Hi, Remedya Salabara. Ang hiling ko sana, makapiling ka ngayon at kailanman. Hi, Christopher. Sana ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pagkat puso ko'y nasanay. Siyempre, welcome para ikaw yung nag-request. Tsaka natutuwa ko yung Ma'am Gracebel. Parang lagi siyang masaya, laging love, 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 at parang chill-chill lang siya. Puso'y nangangakong ikaw lamang, at ito'y iyong asahan, huwag mo sana kong iwan. Oo nga eh. Puso'y huwag mo sanang pasakitan, dahil ito'y para sa'yo lamang, huwag mo sanang iwan. Hi, Valentino! Shoutout sa'yo. And Amia, hello, Chef A! Oo nga eh. Oo, mukhang napakaganda ng puso niya. Thank you, Valentino, sa pa-heart me and Eileen. Thank you, guys. Welcome po sa ating 15 million. Ano ba? Hindi ko ba nakita? 15 or ano? Thank you, Valentino. Sana mag-enjoy muna kayo dun, guys, ha? Hanggang ano lang ako. 9:30. Ay, may play pala ako, pero parang ayoko na umatin. Ronnie! Alis kasi ako ng maaga bukas, guys. Hi, Ronnie. Shoutout sa'yo, Andante. Ikaw ang bigay at tugon sa panalangin ko. O, good evening sa'yo. Sige lang. Sa'yo ko lang ibibigay ang puso kong ito. Thank you, Valentino. Ingat-ingat parati, ha. Kahit na malayo ka, aking sinta, ang puso ko ay kailanman di magbabago. Hello, Alan. Siguro mga 9:30 lang. Kasi migraine ako. Sa araw at gabi magkasama ka. Hello, ako si Boy. Hello sa'yo. Alam mong miss na miss kita. Sana ay nandirito ka. Oo. Hindi talagang, meron kasi akong findings na hindi naman treatable. Iinom lang ng gamot, pero andyan pa rin, pabalik-balik lang, pabalik-balik lang. Walang treatment daw. mahal. Ilang mahal ko, pangako ko'y hindi magbabago. Shoutout si Wilson and Evelyn. Ikaw, pero may naalala akong boy, bigay kulay sa buhay kong ito. One that got away. Pero baka hindi ikaw yon, kasi hindi yata siya nagtitiktok. Ikaw ang una at huling pag-ibig ko. Para sa kanya to. Sana'y makapiling na kita. Noon, sa araw at gabi magkasama ka. Hi Wilson, Enrico, alam mo miss na miss kita. Sana ay nandito ka, aking sinta. Aileen, may re-reveal ako mamaya sa inbox. Sana'y makapiling na kita. May request ba kayo? Hello, lovely! Thank you sa pag-follow ka. Hello, may request ka ba? Yung sa mga new follower ko, you can request, guys. Magre-request lang po si host ng konting tap and share ng ating live, guys. Hello, goods. Kamusta ka, Aga? Lovely. Hello, good evening sa'yo. Shoutout sa'yo, Charlene. Just tell me you love me. Okay, sige. Pagbigan kita, Remedios Salaver. Shoutout sa'yo. Just tell me you love me. Sige, sunod natin yan. Mamaya na natin mga Tagalog version. Just tell me you love me. Yun ba yun? Just tell me you love me. Okay. This is for you, Remedios, at sa ating 17 million viewers. Hello guys, sana magustuhan nyo po. Kahit na naghang lang po si host, at pilingera lang po guys. Tap and share nyo po ang aking live kung nagugustuhan nyo po ang pilingerang sintonadong nasa harapan guys, ha? Ayan, para po sa inyong lahat. Hello, Tongs 73. Hindi tayo nagkakalayo, Tongs. Yes, ako si Boy. Natutuwa ako sa ngalan mo kasi may naaalala ako sa pangalan mo. Hello, Lean and Lovely. Many times I wish you were here, through the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were here, through the darkness out it came, but it seems that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me. Kahit bawal. Hi Noni, ano sino kumanta nun? Not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, if you lead the way to your heart, through the mirror of silence, you love me. I've waited for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently I've waited for the moment you would take me to work that I've never seen that world before. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead away to your heart, to the mirror of silence. of me. Hi, Wilson. Guys, sige. Sa mga nag-request po, pwede rin po bang mag-request ni host ng top po ng ating live? Yun po ay katumbas ng inyong palakpak, guys. Makiki-request po ako. O, naka-contacts ako. Kaya hindi ko kayo masyadong... Parang hindi siya fit sa aking eyes. If ever I fall in love again. Sige, para sa'yo to. Wilson, pwede ba ako mag-request sa'yo? Gusto mo ba yung Tagalog version? Wag na lang. Yung ano na lang.
Covers PH.
Yung original version tayo, guys. Hello, Net. Shoutout sa'yo. And Arman. Hi. Mon. Tagalog na Tagalog. Hello. Hello, Crisel. Kumar. Hello sa'yo. MJ Pagal. Hello, Mon. Good evening.
Global Karaoke
And good
TV.
evening po sa inyong lahat. Sana nakapag-dinner na po ang lahat, guys. Okay, magpahalipas gutom, ha? Diyan nagsisimula ang girl. Para po sa iyo na nag-request. Patype naman po ng number 2. Yan, nakalag po si Inday. Ako si Boy, may request ka ba? Natutuwa ako sa pangalan mo kasi I remember the boy. You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. Hello, Daniel. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. You're welcome dito, Wilson. Hi, Remedios. Putong ba to? Pwede may po sumigaw. Scared. I guess I'm scared to fly such a long way down. Oo nga, yun ang gusto ko. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. Kay Jerry Nunez, magkamag-anak ba tayo? Somewhere inside, in your arms, I'm ready now to try. Hi, Maui, Enrico. So if I ever fall in love again, hi, Salvador. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend, Liam, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. Thank you, Maui, and thank you sa pagpapag, Liam. Hello sa'yo. Hello, 20 million viewers. I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, but I know I gotta take it slow. Thank you so much, guys. Huwag niyo po akong kalimutang i-follow, guys, ha. Kahit pilingera lang po si host. Oo, malaki yan. I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. Thank you, Liam. But if I ever fall in love again, I would cheat. If I ever fall in love again. Thank you, Layla. Hello sa'yo. Thank you, guys. Hello, Layla Herrera. Shoutout sa'yo. And welcome po sa ating 19 million viewers. Hello, guys. Thank you sa paros. May pa-request ka ba? May request pa ba kayo, guys? Thank you. Ang yung gift ay appreciated ko po, guys. Oh. Natutuwa ako dun sa antipara mo. Actually, dalawa to. Kaya lang yung isa parang laging may garalgal. Ano tawag doon? Garalgal. Kaya pinalitan ko. Dati dalawa yan nakatutok. Ayun. Kung may pa-request kayo, guys, sige lang. Pwede nyo pong i-comment. Gusto nyo ba yung Tagalog version naman? Hello, hello po sa inyong lahat. Bubuyok. Oo. Hello, Luwing. Thank you, guys. Hello din sa pag-follow, nerds, and thank you, guys. Tagalog to. Gusto niyo ba ng Tagalog? Ay, pusong bato. Pwede ba pusong ligaw? Remedios? Pwede bang pusong ligaw? Okay lang. Okay lang ba sa'yo? Parang hindi ko pa kasi nakanta yung pusong bato. Ano ba yung pusong bato? Wait lang, sige, I'll check muna. Gusto mo ba palitan natin ng ano? Sige, pusong ligaw na lang muna. Papakinggan ko later yung ano, yung pusong bato. Kasi, sa inyong kalaman, guys, this is my favorite song, Pusong Ligaw. Para po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa ating 20 million viewers. Hi, MC! Puso mo tinapay, ako ligaw. Ligaw lang naman pagka nagla-live ako. Check my inbox. Your inbox pala. Para po sa inyong lahat, guys. Favorite na list ni host. Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nagdaan. Ikaw ang pangarap ko, nais kong makamtan sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang kahulugan, pag-ibig ko'y walang kamatayan. Wala si Delo, favorite niya to. Favorite niya, parehas kami ng favorite. Wali kang mahagan. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman. Ikaw at ako, sinulat sa mga bituin, at ang langit sa gabi sumasalamin. Mayroong lungkot, oo nga, tingin ko masailin, at pananabik. Kung wala ka'y kulang ang mga bituin. Aasa ako, babalik ang ligaya aking mithin. Hanggang sa muli pagkikita, sasabihin mahal kita. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo Hello, Joey. Sa mga dumaan kanina na hindi ko na ano. Hi, Silvana. Hello, love. Ang hanap ng puso ikaw mula noon ay lumiko ka sa kailanman. Mula noon bukas at kailanman. Mula noon bukas at kailanman. Uy, alay ko na magaan pisngi ko. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Hello, 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 Papa Alvin. Sige. Good evening po ating 18 million viewers. Pusong ba to? I-try natin, guys. Pusong ba? Try lang natin to, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, boy. Boy ka willing. Boy, may request ka ba? Thank you. Makipag-connect po tayo, guys. Hello, Christine. Uy, thank you sa pa-heart me. Boy, I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling anymore. Joke lang kasi the one that got away. Para po sa nag-request ng pusong bato, taas po ang kamay dyan. Ika'y ibigin ko, mundo ko'y biglang nagbago. Akala ko ikaw ay langit, yun pala'y sakit ng ulo. Sabi mo noon sa akin, kailan may di magbabago. Naniwala naman ako. Nakailan ako ng ano ba? Ng boyfriend? Lagi ako iniiwan. Hindi malang dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakatulog. Yan, hindi ko masyadong kabisado. Muling ibig. Sanay. Gustong ba to? Pasensya na. Baka sakaling ika'y magising, ang matigas mong damdamin. Thank you. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog, buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling ibig, sana di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello, Elena. Kakantahin ko sa iyo, boy, yung I Remember the Boy. Okay lang. Lagi kong rin kinakanta yun eh. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog, buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling ibig, sana di maging katulad mo. Di mo alam dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain, di rin makatulog, buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling ibig, sana di maging katulad mo na may pusong bato. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Hello, Alma. Pinakilala ka rin ba, Siman? Pagka Siman, wag na lang. Baka mamaya may galit. Hello, Amir. Seaman ba talaga pag boy? Ganun ba yan? Hindi yung seaman. Hello, 18 million viewers. Hi, wait lang guys, hindi ko mabasa. Hello, Arabs. And hello sa'yo, Jocelyn and Joey. Para sa'yo to, boy, na nandyan. Yung boy na nandyan, ha? Today I heard them play the song again, an old familiar strain from way back in the band. Every note and every line, it's always been a favorite song of mine. It used to haunt me so some years ago. Reminds me of the boy I used to know. Kung ikaw ay pag-ibig, kung ikaw ay pagbibigyan ko, nakita kita. Hello, Arvin. Hello sa'yo. The memories in the boy are all but gone, and while the song still bring that certain glow, and the world still sing the love I know, isn't quite the way it was before. I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling anymore. Promises we made seem easier than, as if we knew our love would never end. Hi, Mr. Official Gerardo. Let's see, since may natatandaan din akong Gerardo. Marami ba? As simply as the rivers disappear, so while the sun still brings that certain glow, and the words still sing a love I know, isn't quite the way it was before. Huwag nang umulit. 1:1 lang sa isang pangalan. I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feelings anymore. Hello, shoutout po sa ating 21 million viewers. Hello, good evening guys. Ayan, antayin na lang natin malubat ang ating cellphone. Ayan, naglalag talaga. Yung talaga ang malaki. Oo nga, ayan, maingay tuloy. Hello guys, good evening po. Para po sa inyo yung palakpak na yan, guys. Kung pagbibigyan kita, may request ka ba? Ito maganda, guys. Akala lang natin, kilala natin siya, pero hindi pala natin kilala. Para sa inyo to, na akala nyo kilala, pero hindi pala. Hinahawakan ko, hindi ko yan hinahawakan. Hi, Edward. Sa mga nagkakamali dyan na kilala pero hindi pala. Nothing is so good, it lasts eternally. Perfect situations must go wrong, but this has never yet prevented me wanting far too long, much far too long. Hello, Mark. Wala, may Mark din ako nakilala. I could have played it differently. One of few more moments who can tell, but it took time to understand the man. I'm still loyal. Now at least I know him well. Was Wasn't it good? Wasn't it fun? Isn't it madness? He can be mine. But in the end, he is a little bit more than security. I know him so well. Mr. Loyal, may nagtatanong sa'yo kung loyal ka ba daw. Hey, Mark. No one in your life with you constantly. No one is completely on your side. And though I move my world to be with him, pinagpalit na lahat pero ganun pa rin. The between us is too wide. Looking back, I could have played it differently. Uy, loyal daw siya, Eileen. Makipag-connect po tayo, guys. Mr. Loyal. Oh. Eileen, loyal daw si Mr. Loyal. Mr. Loyal, kailangan mo si Eileen. Sige, Arabs. Next natin yan. Wasn't it good? Wasn't it fun? Isn't it madness? He won't be mine. Did I know how would it go? Hello, Luisa. Uy, Mr. Loyal, baka na huwag kang makikita na. Hello, thank you sa pag-follow. Hello, Luisa, shoutout sa'yo. Thank you sa parasas, Mr. Loyal. But in the end, I need a little bit more than security. I know him so well. Hello, Arabs. Pwedeng unahin ko muna yung nag-request. Sino nag-request ng Power of Love? Tapos, comment po ng number 2. Sa nag-request po ng The Power of Love. And then, isusunod ko yung request ng Arabs. Nandyan pa po ba kayo sa nag-request ng Power of Love? Patap-tap in share po ng ating live, guys. Makikisulos. Kung wala po, uunahin ko na yung request ni Arabs. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Sa nag-request ng Power of Love, nandyan pa po kayo. Unahin ko muna yung tukso. Ayan, marami po sa paligid dito, guys. Para po sa ating lahat ito. Kaya, ang request ng sana, ano lang sana natin ay maging matatag po kayo, guys. Huwag kayong magpapadala. Ito para sa ating lahat ito. Hello! Hello, boy. Another boy. Hello! Ikaw pa rin yan. Hello, boy, sa'yo. Hi, mahal! And actually, ikaw ba yung nag-request, Mark? Wala, okay lang. Unahin ko muna to. Din yung sa'yo. Tapat ang puso ko at ito'y hindi magbabago. Pagkat pag-ibig ko ay tanging para sa'yo. Huwag sanang mangyari, matukso ako ng sandali. Pagkat ang tukso ay madaling magwawagi. Kay rami ng ako'y nasa nagkakanan. Hello, 27 million viewers. Kay rami ng matang pinanluha. Kay rami ng pusong sinugatan. Sniper daw, Marlene. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Di kayang sabihin na ako'y di madarating. Pagkat ako'y tao, may puso't damdamin. Kung ngunit kung kaya ko ako'y di pa dadaig. Tugsong kay rami ng hello, 31 million viewers. Damdamin kay rami ng uway nasak na tahanan. Kay rami ng matang pinaluha. Kay ram ng pusong sinugatan. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Kay rami ng uway nasak na tahanan. Kay rami ng matang pinaluha. Kay rami ng pusong sinugatan. Thank you sa process. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Kay rami ng uway nasak na tahanan. Kay rami ng matang pinaluha. Kay rami ng pusong sinugatan. O tukso, layuan mo ako. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello JR and Fabiano. You're welcome, Arobs. Thank you so much po sa inyo guys. Naduduling na naman si Inday. I-try lang natin itong si Linjon na mataas po kasi. Hello John. Thank you boy. Hello. I just fall in love again. Sige Loida. Thank you sa pag-follow guys. Sino ba yung nag-request ng Power of Love? Si Roel. Ay, Mark. Hello, Mark. O ba yun? Ayan, guys. Patap-tap-tap share po ng ating live, guys, ha? Pero hanggang siguro maglalast 3 songs tayo, guys, ha? Oo nga. Hello, Ditoy. Couple lovers. Bakit ganun? Ang bilis kasi kapag Power of Love. Sana magandahan ko. Call me. Hello, Bikoy. Hello. Hindi ko talaga siya maumpisahan. Hello, hello. Thank you. Hello, Louie. Pagpasensya nyo na po guys. Okay lang kahit kalahati lang ba ng Power of Love. Kasi maglalast these songs po si host guys. Kasi paano na yung aking battery. Thank you. Welcome po sa aking live guys. And good evening for everyone. Thank you Ditoy and Junior. The whisper in the morning of the lovers sleeping time are rolling by like thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I'll hold on to your body in the village move you made. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not say. Was I your lady? Did you want my man? Whenever you reach for me, wala akong pera, I'll do all that I can. Lost is how I'm feeling. Wala akong pera dito eh. Marami lang akong kaibigan. much today that all ends when I'm with you. Even though there may be times it seems so far away, never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side, 'cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, you're the all that I can. We're heading for something so romantic. Hey Donnie and MJ, sometimes I am frightened. Hello DJ Sky, hello sa'yo. Oh, the power of love. Hello Abed, Edo Swap, hello sa'yo, and Oscar. The sound of your heartbeat made it clear suddenly. And Nicole, the feeling that I can't go on is a light years away. Hanggang doon na lang. Baka hindi na po tayo makakanta. Good evening everyone. Hello Judith and Nico. Sige, ayun. Thank you po sa nag-guest po ng Power of Love. Pasensya nyo na po, hindi ko na po tatapusin, masyadong mataas. Hello, good evening po sa ating 26 million viewers. Hello guys. Ayan, just a woman. Eileen, diyan ka lang. May nag-request lang na una sa'yo ng konti. Just a woman. Tama ba? Yung nag-request po ng Just Another Woman in Love ba? Tama ba? Hello Nitoy, shoutout sa'yo. And Vicoy, thank you sa pag-like ng ating live. Thank you so much guys. Na-appreciate ko po yung nagtatap-tap ng ating live at ang mga gifter natin. At ng mga nag-i-stay guys. Tama ba? Just Another Woman in Love. Eileen, next ko yung sa'yo dito ha. I'm strong, I'm sure. Palitan natin ng ibang kasi kanina nakanta ko na to. So, piano tayo. Hello, Eric. Thank you, Arabs. Another version lang. This another, this is pala. Medley, wait lang guys. Medley kasi siya. Good evening everyone and welcome po sa ating 24 million viewers. Wala pala siyang solo. Yes, hello. Kabi, hello sa'yo. Sige, ito na lang. This is, tama ba? Yung nag-request po ng Just Another Woman in Love po ba? Tama po ba ako? Pwede naman din, sige. Sige. Tama po, Just Another Woman in Love po ba? Yung nag-request. Thank you, DJ Sky.
Covers PH.
Hello, Bicoy. Thank you so much sa pag-stay at sa pag-up-top ng ating live. Tama ba? Just Another Woman. Hindi ko na mabalikan. I'm sorry guys. Duling na talaga sa hinda. Tama ba? Just Another Woman in Love. Taas po ang kamay na nag-request. Pag malapit na yung birthday ko, i-reveal ko na yung ilang taon ako. Promise. Promise yan. I'm strong, I'm sure. I'm in control, a lady with a plan. Thank you, Eileen, believing that life It's a neat little package I'll hold in my hand. Hi, Mama Smeen! Welcome, welcome. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Thank you, Mama Smeen. So fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I fight out of control. Thank you, Mama Smeen. Welcome po sa aking live. Ayan guys, makipag-connect po tayo sa 27 million viewers. And I just feel you're touching me again. Thank you, Deli. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Oh, buti nawala yung R. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. Kahapon na, hard ako kahapon. That one thing you look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me. Can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love. I get out of school, I fight out of control. Just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you're touching me again. Thank you, Mama Smee. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. I get out of school, I fight out of control. Just another fool. Kila Leopoldo, thank you Mama Smeen sa pagdan sa aking live. Kaya lang mag-end live ako ng maaga kasi may request ka ba, Mama Smeen? Ayan, Aileen, this is for you at sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Maglalas. Hello, Jean. Dila Peña, Rowena. Hello, Bangs. Kahit ano pa ang sa'kin ay gawin, dahil mahal ka, handa kong tiisin. Kahit musaktan, di ko papansinin. Ang pagluha ko'y huwag mong intindihin. Ang pag-ibig raw ay krus na kaibigan. Ang layuan kay tayo ilang lahat. Ay di ko magawa, mahal kitang tapat. P.S. I love you, yan ba'y di pa sapat? P.S. mahal na mahal kita. P.S. I love you, walang iba. Kay Ronilo and Marivic, thank you guys sa pag-stay sa aking live. At huwag kang mag-alala, di ako. Thank you so much, Aileen. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you sa mga gifter ko. Thank you, Mama Smeen. Thank you, Aaron. Sa mga iba pa na hindi ko nababanggit. Kung mangyari man, mayroon kang mahalin na sa tingin mo'y higit pa sa akin. Magpakailanman puso ko'y tanungin. P.S. I love you, magpahanggang libing. P.S. mahal na mahal kita. P.S. I love you, nag-aalala sa sinasabi nila, sinta. Oo, yung mic talaga minsan kailangan maganda. Kailangan mag-invest tayo. Kung mangyari man, mayroon kang mahalin, may sleepy na sa tingin mo'y higit pa sa akin. Magpakailanman, friend, super tanongin. Alam ba yung mga umaakyat, parang may mga magpahanggang libing. May kilala din akong FLO sa'yo, Christy. Magpahanggang libing. Sa ranking, P.S. I love you. Ranking. Hello, Batang Bugoy! Oo, doon na makikita. Hello sa'yo. Hello, good evening, guys. Ayan. Thank you, Joanne. Hello sa'yo. Hala, I'm sorry. Baka may naano ko, guys. May napintat, pero sorry. Welcome po sa ating lahat. Oo, sige. May nag-request pa ba? Maglalaso na po tayo, guys. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, sige. Si Bikoy, sige. Kakantahin ko yan. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Sige, this is for you. Yan. Siguro, guys. Hello, Ruby. Hello, good evening sa'yo. I-shoutout po sa inyong lahat, guys. Sana po ay nakapag-dinner na po ang lahat. Sige po, hanggang 10 o'clock na lang po tayo ngayon, guys. Magluta ka. Tayo'y may matanda na. Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman ay pedrop na saan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Ang nagdadalong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo. Ang ganda ng ano mo, nang kumikislap ka na, Eileen. Buhok ko. Hello, Carlito. Thank you sa mga gift. Thank you. Welcome, Bikoy. Ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Good evening, everyone! Hello sa inyo. Sana po ay nakapag-dinner na po ako lahat. Thank you, Eileen! Thank you guys. Thank you sa inyo. Mga palangga ko. Maraming pong salamat. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Good evening, hi Shirley! Ayan, meron pa okay yung request. Gusto nyo ba ng isang linggong pag-ibig? Total, paabin na natin siya ng hanggang 10 o'clock, guys. Sige, para po sa inyo to, ha.
Global Karaoke TV.
Thank you. Welcome ka dito, Bikoy, ha. Thank you sa'yo sa pag-stay sa live ko. And Yumi, thank you, guys, sa pag-stay. Simula't sa pool, mahal kita, nalalaman mo, walang-wala sa loob ko, naiiwanan mo, buong akala ko'y hanggang wakas, bakit biglang nagbago, ay Alvin, balat kayo lamang pala, naniwala naman ako. Kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba, at kung ang langit mo ay ang pag-ibig niya, tutol ba ako? Kung kagustuhan mo, sapat na ang minsay, minahal mo ako. May bakas ka bang nakikita sa aking mukha? Masdan mo aking mata, mayroon bang luha? May hinanakit ako sa'yo, sa palagay ko'y wala. Ginusto mong magkawalay, wala kong magagawa. Kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba, at kung ang langit mo ay ang pag-ibig niya, tututol ba ako? Kung kagustuhan mo, sapat na ang minsay, minahal mo ako. Simula't sa pool, mahal kita, nalalaman mo, walang-wala sa loob ko, naiiwanan mo, buong akala ko'y hanggang wakas, bakit biglang nagbago? Ba't kayo lamang pala, naniwala naman ako. Kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba, at kung ang langit mo ay gahan ay ang pag-ibig niya, tututol ba ako? Kung kagustuhan mo, sapat ng minsay, minahal mo ako. Kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba, thank you, Bikoy. Sana makabalik ka sa mga susunod. Hello, sir. Hello, Gohan. Kamusta? Shoutout sa'yo. Nag-live lang ako solo. Hello, Roger Torrente. Shoutout sa'yo. Minahal mo ako. Kung liligaya ka sa piling ng iba, at kung ang langit mo ay ang pag-ibig niya, tututol ba ako? Kung kagustuhan mo, sapat na ang minsay, minahal mo ako. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Last na po ito, magkalasong na po si host, guys. Kasi medyo... Hello, Jimmy, Jomeline, and Edwin. Hello, shoutout po sa inyong lahat na nandyan nag-stay po, guys. Marami pong salamat. Sige, kantahin natin. Ang request ni Aileen. Thank you, Aileen, sa mga regalo mo. Isang buwan. Ano yung sinasabi mo, isang buwan? Ano yun, Michelle? This is for you. Ayan, na-complete na daw ang aking first stage. Tama ba? Wish I could be the one who could give you love. The kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I always stay with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you, I know I'd only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you, goodbye. Hello, Aries, Narlinda. I hope someday you can find somewhere to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You find someone who'll be the one that I could never be. I'll give you something better, baby, the love you'll find with me. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you, I know I'd only make you cry. Ayan, naghang na si host. Good evening, guys. Hello, Leonardo. Hello sa'yo. Michelle, parang hindi ko po alam yung may request po ba yun? Hello. Shoutout sa'yo, Michelle Pajardo. Thank you, Leonardo Bautista de la Cruz. Shoutout sa'yo. And Nolly. Here's me out inside, but I'll never be the one you needed. I love you, goodbye. Baby, it's never gonna work out. I love you, goodbye. Paus na. Yeah, thank you. I didn't think that sa inyo, guys. Marami pong salamat sa nagtatap-tap-tap. Bakit pa? Yung Jessa ba yun? Sige po. Sige, mag-aano po tayo, ha? Bakit pa? Kay Jessa, no? Bakit pa? Actually, paborito ko to, eh. Tama ba kay Jessa? Hello, Jonald and Nolly. Thank you, Arab, sa Hello, guys. Sana po nag-enjoy pa kayo dyan, ha. Siguro, guys, sige, mag-last 3 songs po tayo, ha. Mag-comment na po kayo sa last 3 songs. Hello. Hi. Naku, meron pala akong dapat pala kanina mamaya na tayo. Ano bang oras yung ko? Hindi na sana ko aatin dito, eh. Alas 6 pala. Pwede bang hindi umatin dito? Nakalimutan ko. Parang di ko yata kaya, kung sa buhay ko'y wala ka. Ani ng pag-ibig, kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sinong aking tatawagin? Ay, Jason, sinong aking hahanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalambing? Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang sasaktan kung siya'y higit sa'kin. Naroon man ang pagdaramdam, ito ay aking kakayanin. Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko'y wala pa ani ng pag-ibig, kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sinong aking tatawagin? Sinong aking hahanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalambing? Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan, kung siya'y higit sa'kin. Naroon man ang pagdaramdam, ito ay aking kakayanin. Hello, Ari! I'm yours! I'm yours! Hello! Thank you and welcome sa aking live. Welcome po sa ating 18 million viewers. Kung siya'y higit sa'kin, naroon man ang pagdaramdam, ito ay aking kakayanin. Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan, kung siya'y higit sa kay brave woman, nagdaramdam, ito ay aking kakayanin. Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan,